No.
So today, we are going to review everything that we've covered since day one. So we have covered a couple of things. We have covered multiplication and addition, how they are related. We had covered multiplication on a number line. We have covered arrays. We have covered times as many, so writing equal groups. And we have covered division and equal groups with division. So today we're just going to review everything that we have covered. That way you're good to move on to the next topic.
Are we also going to post it on Castasia?
Maybe. Okay, so we are on set A. So this is how Reteach works. On the left side, on this side, the left side, it gives you an example. On the right side, you are going to practice based on that example. So we're going to do set A, set B, and set C to begin. This is what we covered on the second day of school, the third day of school, and the fourth day of school. So last week. So set A says the following. How many is 3 groups of 4? So when we look at the picture, what do you see? What do you see when you look at the picture? Roy, what do you see?
3 groups and 4.
Very nice. So he sees 3 groups. This is group 1, group 2, and group 3. And there are 4 counters in each. Who remembers what this is called here? Cassius, do you remember what this is called? Andrew?
That's called a bar diagram.
Thank you. A bar diagram. And all a bar diagram does is organizes our numbers. So 12 is the total, which goes at the top. The number of boxes is how many groups. And the 4 represents how many in each group. So here they show us that 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. And 3 times 4 is the same thing as 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 groups. Remember 3 groups? Remember I told you the first number tells you how many lines? And the second number tells you how many on each line? So same thing. So now that we have reviewed that, let's move on to the practice. It says, remember that you can use addition or multiplication to join equal groups. So let's look at number 1. It says 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 3 times blank. The 3 that's already here represents what? Abby?
3 groups.
3 groups. So you saw how I drew the 3 lines? Okay, the second number is going to tell me how many in each group. How many are in each group, Kayla?
2.
Thank you. So 3 times 2 is the same thing as 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, same thing with number 2. How many lines do you see there? 3. 3 lines, 3 groups. How many are going to go per in each group? Ruben, 6, 6, 6, and 6. And the last one. The last one. 8 plus blank plus blank. What is important about a multiplication equation? That each group has to have what?
The same number.
The same amount. Thank you, the same number. So, if this is 8, what is this going to be?
8.
8. What is this going to be?
8.
How many 8s do you have there?
3.
3. So, 3 groups of 8. 3 groups of 8. Very nice. Everybody. Table 3 gets 2 points. Table 3 gets 2 points. So 2 points on your tally. Tally that board. 2 points. Table 1 gets 2 points. Good morning.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Gio. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gio. Grab your math books, okay? Okay, set B. Let me see this table. This table, 1 point for your tally chart. 3 points. Okay. Let's look at set B. Who remembers when we did this lesson? What did we use? What did we use? Nay, what did we use? Number line. It's right in the middle of your table. It looks like this. Remember? It looks like this. Ooh, it looks like this. It looks like this. So if you want to use that, that's also fine. So, look at set B. Skip count by 4s 3 times. So the number of jumps, the first number is the number of jumps. The second number is number in each jump. So the first number is how many jumps you should have. The second number is what we're skip counting by. Right? So, let's try this. I want you to do this just so you can remember. So the first number is number of jumps. The second number, number of jumps. The second number is number in each jump. So what you're skip counting by would be the second number. Okay? You ready? We ready? Okay. So, help me out. Number 1. What am I skip counting by?
4.
We're looking at number 1 here. What am I going to skip count by? 3. So highlight the 3. And how many groups of 3 do I need to have? 2. So let's go. We're going to jump from 0 to what? 3. And that's going to be jump number 1. Ooh, that looks ugly. And then we're going to jump from 3 to what? And that's jump number?
2.
And my flag goes right there. That's my finish line. So what's 2 times 3? 6. 6. Okay, next one. What are we skip counting by? 3. Just help me out. Just call it out. We're skip counting by 3s. How many groups? 4. So let's go. From 0 to 3 is jump number 1. Then we go 1, 2, 3 is jump number 2. We land at 6. Then we count 1, 2, 3. We land at 9. That's jump number 3. Then we go 1, 2, 3. That is jump number 4. We land at 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. You're okay over there? Yeah, you're good? You okay? Okay. Now we're going to do set C. And then we're going to jump into a quick division. That way I can have that recorded for you. And then off video, then we'll practice. Everybody would come up to the board and practice a question. Okay, are you ready? Set C?
Yep.
So we're good with the addition. We're good with the number line, yes?
Yep.
Okay, now we're going into arrays. What is an array? Let me take out 50 bucks right now. What is an array? What is an array? What is an array? What is an array? Someone who I haven't, Ziandre, because I haven't heard from you. What is an array? Rows and columns, and they are what? Equal groups, and they're nice and organized. Thank you, Ziandra. Here you go. Very nice. Yes, 7. Your opportunity will come. Okay. Set C. It says, find 4 times 6. The array shows four rows of 6 counters. The first number is how many are going where?
4.
How many are going Down. Thank you. The first number goes down. The second number goes
Sideways.
across. Say across. Yup. Second number. So the first number in a multiplication equation is how many are going down in our array. The second number is how many are going where, Alani?
Across.
Thank you. Okay, so let's look at number 1 and number 2. We got to build multiplication equation. So set up your paper. Set up your paper. It has to be a multiplication equation. So set up your paper. Bless you. For number 1, Shailene, what's the first number going to be? How many are going down? 2. How many are going across? How many are going across? 7? 4. What's 2 times 4? 8. That's how many total counters I have. Number 2. Sorry, am I going too fast? Oh, okay. Number 2, Eli, how many are going down? 3. How many are going across? 6. What's 3 times 6? 18. So now let me ask you something. If I didn't know this from the top of my head, what number would I skip count by? 3 or 6? 6. And then when I skip count by 6, what do the dots help me with? Counting. If I skip count by 6, how many numbers should be on my list? 3. Thank you. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. There's 1, 2, 3 numbers. That's my answer. Who thinks they're ready for a multiplication battle? Okay. Okay. We'll do one today. No, the whole class. We'll compete against each other. Okay. We're good with set C? Yes? Okay, so now, just for the sake of the video that's going to go up for you to review, we are going to go to set E real quick. Go to set E so I can explain that for you. And let's look at set E. What operation are we going to use in set E? We have 4 operations. One of them is multiplication. The other one is what? Ruben? Division. I got 2 more. Subtraction and addition. Those are operations. 4 operations. Those are the ones that we use. So, look at the example first. 2 friends share 6 fruit snacks equally. Equally means everybody gets the same what? Amount. How many fruit snacks does each friend get? So 6 was the total. When we divide, the total goes first. The number of groups goes next. And how many in each group goes last. We talked about the repeated subtraction, and we know that we have to go all the way to 0. However, if that strategy doesn't work for you, you stick to the skip counting. Okay? So, let's look at number 1. It says, let's look at number 1. It says what? Kayla, read number 1 for us. Kayla, read number 1 for us.
9 raisin boxes are shared by 3 children. Each child gets raisin boxes.
Read it again.
9 raisin boxes are shared by 3 children. Each child gets blank raisin boxes.
Right. Now we gotta figure that out. So, what's our total?
3.
9. You don't have to see the number. They could write it out in word form, and that's okay. So 9. 9 raisin boxes. How many children? How many children? 3. What is my equation going to look like? 9 divided by 3. What am I going to highlight? The number that I want to highlight is what I'm going to skip count by. So what am I skip counting by? 3s. Okay. I don't got no space, so I'm going to show you here. Right here. This is my paper. We're skip counting by 3. My dots help me do what? Count. Where do I have to stop? 9. Okay, what's 3 plus 3? 6. What's 6 plus 3?
9.
How many jumps? 3. 3 is my answer. 3 is my answer. We're okay? Okay, great. Number 2. 12 divided by 2. What am I skip counting by? 2's. And I'm going to stop when I get to
12.
12. So 2 in my dots. 2 plus 2? 4 plus 2? 6 plus 2? 8 plus 2? 10 plus 2? Why do I stop at 12? Right, that's my total. What's my answer? What is my answer? My answer should be the amount of numbers I have on my list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Are we good? Okay, this is going to be up for you to review on your own.